Good day, friends. We still want to solve more questions on JAM 1993 question 4. We are saying law of chemical combination. Said a balanced chemical equation obeys the law of A, conservation of mass, B, definite proportion, C, multiple proportion, conservation of energy. I've explained all these laws in my previous video, but for the sake of this class, what is the law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass states that matter is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction, but changes from one form to another. Matter is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction, but changes from one form to another. And all balanced chemical equation obeys this law. And that is the question they are asking us. A balanced chemical equation obeys the law of conservation of mass. Let's share this video across to our children, and they will be very glad to see you in my next video. Bye.